So this card is really interesting. It's designed so that you could be hanging something from the centre. You could have butterflies in here. We've got almost like a ruboid. So we've got this fold at the bottom and then these layers so that it leans back but allows us to have lots of different elements inside. So imagine in each one of these panels that we've got, and I'm just going to show you them from the side, we were to put different elements of decoration. So I'm just going to show you how you would assemble the main body of this card. So the card itself is made up of a piece of card that's got score lines and double apertures. There's my first score line that I've got there, and here is my second, and finally the third and fourth. So they're the pieces that we're going to be working with. Now, I can fold these up and fold that piece out, and it gives me my aperture like I've got there. I could then build up my design by putting different layers on top of each other. But I also want to show you how you can use these pieces to build the layers. So it's almost like a shaped tunnel card. And these panels need literally the adhesive cutting so that you can put one panel there and a panel to here like that. And then because we're putting the detail over the top, it's going to hide some of that design, which is just protruding through the aperture. So let's get started with this. So the first piece is going to sit inside here, and the second piece is going to sit inside here. So there we go. I've got those pieces together like that. I've now got another piece that's going to go inside the same way. So double-sided tape there, and again double-sided tape there. And this one is going to sit inside like that and inside like that. I'm just going to make sure I've got, yeah, that's right. So I've got there. And it starts to give the card a bit of shape, and it'll start to bow a little bit, but it gets pulled back into line when you actually attach the last panel. So I'm just going to attach that last panel here. Take that red liner off, which you can see there. Take my decorative panel and place it over the top. Oops, let's just line this up a little bit more. So this is where our red liner tape really is the strongest thing, and need to just line that up like that, and finally put my hearts over the top so that I've got my decoration and my heart panel behind, and I could put that in there multiple times. So I would have this inside here. So let me get you in there so you can see what that's going to look like. I would have it inside the next layer. So we go in there. So we've got it there. And then finally also put it in our back layer so that we've got it, just get that corner out the way and have it in there too. So we're having multiple layers of lace, as if we're looking through gates to see all that fabulous wrought iron.